Virgin Galactic, ticker SPCE, just up 30% on the huge news today. And guys, if this is your first time in my channel, please like and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications for my daily updates on the stock market and crypto market. And let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the video. What is Virgin Galactic? It used to be a SPAC, and now the ticker is SPCE. It's been a wild ride. It's a very speculated play, and I want you guys to take a look at the videos and what human beings can do. This is gonna be revolutionary. Okay, it actually can take people to the space with the SPACEFLIGHT. Okay, let's take a look at the video, and then we come back and talk about the technical analysis, and we talk about the financial. Okay,
air launch. Most rockets you see make a loud and bumpy vertical launch from the ground. To launch from the ground requires huge amounts of energy to lift the vehicle from a static start and to propel it through the thickest parts of the Earth's atmosphere. Instead, Virgin Galactic spaceflight starts with a smooth runway takeoff, not dissimilar to a conventional commercial airliner. The spaceship, attached to a mothership, gracefully ascends to the launch altitude of around 50,000 feet, bypassing the thickest parts of the Earth's atmosphere, making it far more energy efficient and far more comfortable for the passengers inside. When the vehicles have reached the launch altitude and location, Mission Control provides clearance for release. The pilots activate the launch and set spaceship free. Within seconds, the rocket motor ignites as the vehicle starts its rapid ascent toward the stars. During this awe-inspiring journey, the spaceship reaches speeds of up to 3 times the speed of sound, and out the window, passengers will watch the color change from blue through indigo, and then to the iconic inky black as they soar into space.
what do you guys think about the video? It costs $450,000 to go on a space trip vacation, guys. It's so exciting, right? The news just announced the stock up over 30%. And right now there's 700 people already reserved the ticket. And the company is still a pre-revenue company. What that mean is the company is not generating revenue yet. That's why I'm talking about this a really speculative play. For the long-term investors, I think you should be very conservative. But for a day trader or a swing trader, there's opportunity in here for a momentum play for sure, right guys? So when you look at the chart, so the stock was up at $60 for a couple times, okay? It was the all-time high. Remember this used to be a SPAC, okay? But now the ticker is SPCE. So it used to be a SPAC. SPAC usually start around $10, okay? So I would always use that $10 as a support level. $10 as a really strong support level, because all the initial investors that in the SPAC that they usually get in at $10, okay? So after the SPAC, the price can go lower than $10, which is what you see. SPCE, it actually dropped to $7 from $60 is all-time high. So that's why I'm calling it is a very speculated play. But as you look at the chart, let's look at the technical analysis right here real quick. So today, when you look at the chart right here, it actually have a really good pattern. So today it actually broke out the downtrend. When you see that huge green candle just happening today, and you see how much volume they're actually going in today, you know, just on that one candle. And it looks like it broke that $7 downtrend. So when you look at the Wall Street analyst target price is $14, okay? If you're doing a swing trade, then from right now is over $10.70. So you're expecting the price up to $15 as what your target is. But you also need to set your stop loss around like $9 or to limit your loss, right? Because this is a very speculated play. It could turn around to the downside if there's any bad news. It was making a lower low since June 2021, okay? It was on a downtrend for 8 months. It looks like today's volume could possibly break the downtrend with the momentum on the news. It could go up to the next resistance price target at $15, right? But then you also have $20, $18, also a strong resistance, okay? If you see the stock going up to $15 to $18, protect your profits, profit taking on companies like this, okay? I know there's also long-term investor in this particular stock. You know, like I say, it's pre-revenue, and I would not gonna be position heavies on something like this. Okay, second, let's look at the financial real quick. The first thing on the financial, that for pre-revenue stocks, I would always look at their cash positions, their liquidities, how much cash they have on hand, to keep this project going. Okay, so as Q3 2021, they still have about $1 billion on hand to keep this project going. Okay? And you look at their free cash flow on Q3 2021, they actually have negative $53 million on their capex spending, so only $1 million. So on Q4, they're expecting the range of 85 to 90 million on the cash flow. So you're looking at $1 billion sitting on the cash, but your cash flow is at 50 million last quarter, and you're expecting about 85 to 90 million coming up Q4. So you still have plenty of cash to get this project going and get this project profitable, right? Okay, something like this industry, it takes time, okay? But the competition's really limited. You have SPACEX, you have Blue Origin. So there's a good chance something like this would be very, very profitable, in the future, okay, guys? So that's what the long-term investors are investing in. And also they have the net loss of $48 million on Q3 2021 compared to 92 million on Q3 2020, and also their adjusted EBITDA was 67 million loss on Q3 2021. So for those of you who are the investors in this particular company or swinging this company, comment below and let me know what you think about this company, because I like the industry. I think the industry for sure has the future, but right now the whole tech market being in the downtrend, right? But make sure, guys, do your due diligence. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notifications, because I have daily updates on the stock market and the crypto market every single day, and you guys don't want to miss out. Thank you, guys.